Welcome.
Thank you.
We'll
thank
see you
you
in the back soon.
Yeah,
Don't worry
thank
about
you.
anything. It's going to be
Thank you.
easy.
Thank you,
You're
Dr.
welcome.
Vardy.
We're going to start with a bunch of x-rays, okay?
Okay.
And I am going to have you come close down on this. So open, there you go, and close. Perfect. Just stay nice and still, okay?
Because I'm here because other people have told their stories either on YouTube or on the Facebook groups, and it's not something that's come easy to me, and you know, I'm not myself at the minute. I've got a mask on because I can't wear the dentures anymore, and I think I just reached a point where I just need to get off this denture treadmill. I can't go back. If you think B1 in nano looks really nice and you've done it before, then do it. I trust you, Alex.
Okay, all right.
Okay,
Thank you. Okay, all right. Okay, so we're gonna make.
I'll leave that with you. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you. So since Christmas, I've been living the life really of a recluse. I've been just going out with a mask on to get a bit of shopping and to walk the dog, and staying in without teeth in. So I don't need skiing holidays anymore. I don't need anything. I just need to be able to go out and have lunch and not wear a mask, and I just need to get my life back. This is no going back. This is getting my life back and just being sociable again. You know, I've even wondered, can I be sociable again? And I know I can be, but yeah.
We'll give you some ice packs after the surgery, so that you can start icing immediately after the surgery. But we're gonna be okay. You're just fine.
Thank you.
You're in good hands, so
you're
just deep breaths. But I'm gonna go tell them you're ready. Okay. So just sit back and relax. Okay. All right, Deb.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Basically, on Deborah's case, it's pretty straightforward. Placing the implant shouldn't take us more than 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, we're ready to scan and close her up.
It's very fast. I mean, it's like she have very good bone, and we placed the abutment as well. Now we are gonna put the iCam 4D to take the scan for the implants, and then she will be ready. We'll send all the information to the lab, and they will start fabricating that upper teeth and the lower wax rim to take the bite for the patients. And as soon as we get the bite, we send her home.
She did so well.
Everything looks healthy. The tissue looks pink, no bleeding. Everything looks really good for her. Let's see how it looks in her mouth. Wow. Very tiny screws. Okay. You have the honor. Do you like the color, or you want like lighter? Oh my God. They look really beautiful.
Thank you
I'm very happy for you.
very much.
I'm very happy for you.
Well, now it's time to go for a test drive.
And I kept coming back to Golpa and thinking, oh, if only they were so close. And then just had a serious conversation with myself and thought, this is such a massive investment, just invest that little bit more. Health is more important than wealth.